Hi everyone, this is James from WE TTI. I represent WE Tech from Taiwan, an Airsoft manufacturer. We're quite successful at this moment. We are probably the leader right now, about 5-6 years old, pretty young. But the key thing about our company, this is a serious issue. The United States, the ATF, okay, the Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearm authorities, has banned our M4 from entering the country based on the Airsoft products being used widely by military and law enforcement personnel as actual training weapons.